Hello everyone and welcome back. So I'm C. Gaurav Chopra welcoming you for ICI live classes. And in today's class, we are going to start a new topic that is logarithm. So this is the fourth unit of chapter number 1. So still we are on chapter number 1 and this is unit number 4. So today's topic is logarithm. So it is one of the interesting topic. And what is the usage of logarithm? So before moving forward, let's see who all are live with us now. Richa Kumari, Juhi, Om Gupta, Venkat Lakshmi, Sanya, Devojit, Prajapati, Govind, Saurabh, Ruhani, Sonal, Bhumkesh, Pooja, Manish, Pankaj, Antima, Sweta. Great. Welcome everyone. Shubham, Suraj, Rajak, Bharti. Great. So welcome everybody and very good afternoon. So let's get started with the topic logarithm. So logarithm का usage क्या होता है? What is the application of logarithm? So log is used to solve the complex problem. जो कि complex calculation है उसको solve करने में help करता है कौन? Logarithm. So complex problem किस तरह से और कैसे उसको solve करना है? So before moving towards that, so let us understand how to write the logarithm. What are the basic terminology which is required in this chapter? So starting with the first paragraph from the chapter, let us read this. After that, we will be starting with the formula. Okay. The logarithm of a number. So it is talking about a basic log of any number to a given base is the index or the power to which the base must be raised to produce the number. That is to make it equal to the given. अब इस डेफिनेशन को पढ़ करके हमें कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता है, राइट? दैट इज वेरी ट्रू. ये डेफिनेशन अगर हम सिर्फ पढ़ेंगे तो उससे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. नाउ इस डेफिनेशन का मतलब क्या है उसको हम समझते हैं इन द मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स. सो इट सिंपली सेज दैट 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 is the base. इस बेस की पावर में अगर आपने एक नंबर रखा, it gives a certain result. So 2 to the power of 4, as we know, it is 16. So this form is known as exponential form. This form of writing any calculation or anything is known as exponential form. 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Now there is another way of writing the same thing, but that formation is different. So we can write the same thing in another way. It is log of 16 base 2 is equal to 4. We have taken the same figures, 2, 4 and 16, but way of writing is totally different. So this format is known as logarithm format. This is logarithmic form. First was exponential form, which we normally studied in from class 6 and onwards. And now this one is the logarithmic form. So exponential form can be converted into logarithmic form, and logarithmic form can also be converted into exponential form. So it can be converted any ways. Now, how to convert that? So let us understand that process. Okay, so we have to learn the conversion process. So what is the conversion process? Let us understand. So let's say a to the power of x is equal to any number. This is exponential form. Now, if we want to convert this into logarithmic form, then what we have to do? Then you have to write log. Now write the number with log. जो भी उसका रिजल्ट आया था a की पावर x, दैट इज द नंबर. ये आपको कहां लिखना है? log के पास में. सो log ऑफ n with the base. Now what should be the base? Base should be a, and then it is equal to x. It is equal to x. Now how to learn this? How to remember this? So it is very simple. At present x is on top of a. x कहाँ अवेलेबल है? x is on top of a. That means we can say that a is on the base of x. a कहाँ पर है? बेस में है. जब a यहाँ पे बेस में है तो लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्मेट के अंदर भी a कहाँ रहेगा? बेस में. So a will remain in the base. a will remain in the base. Then x कहाँ पे है? पावर में. x is in the power. तो जब x पावर में है दैट मींस x इज वेरी पावरफुल. तो x जो पावरफुल होता है उसको अलग से पूरा कुर्सी मिलेगा, उसको अलग से एरिया मिलेगा. सो x का एरिया टोटली डिफरेंट है बिकॉज x इज वेरी पावरफुल एंड इट इज इक्वल टू n. सो वी हैव रिटन log of n. log of n. तो पहले a बेस में था, आज भी बेस में है. x पहले पावरफुल था तो उसको अलग से सीट मिल गई. Right? So log of n base a is equal to x. All right. So in this way, we can write the logarithmic form. So let us do some more conversions so that we can have a bit of practice. So let's take one example here. 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1000. Now you have to write in the form of logarithm. So first of all, we will be writing log. Then we will be writing the result. Result is 1000. Base. Base में क्या है? 10 is in the base. So base में आपने लिखा 10. And now it is equal to the powerful position. It is 3. So log of 1000 base 10 is equal to 3. So this is the basic format of writing. So let's do one more. 5 to the power of minus 3. So as we know, 5 to the power of minus 3 is 1 upon 125. This is given. This is exponential format. Now we have to convert this. So log of. Now here we will be writing the result. 1 upon 125. Then base. What is the base? 5 is the base. And power. Power is negative 3. So log 1 upon 125 to the base 5 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So in this way, we can convert. Now, let's have some reverse conversion. If it is written that log of 8 base 2 is equal to 3. Log of 8 base 2 is equal to 3. Now we have to convert this into exponential form. So 2 पहले भी बेस में था, अभी भी बेस में ही रहेगा. So 2 is in the base. Then now comes the powerful person. So what is the power? Power is 3. So 2 to the power of 3. And what is the result? The result is equal to 8. So 2 to the power of 3 will give you the result 8. Okay. So this is the first conversion from logarithm to exponential form. All right. Now everybody has understood till here. Great. Next one. So this is the basic format, or this is the basic formula in which we can easily convert from log to exponent and exponent to. So this can be generalized in this form. A to the power of x is equal to n. This is the exponential form, and x is equal to log of n with base a. So this we have done. Now come one other point, that is log of 1. What is log of 1? So if we write log of 1 base 10, log of 1 base 10. So if we write this into exponential form first, that is, the 1 is the result and 10 is on the base. So 10 to the power of 0 is equal to, if let's say 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, this is given to us. Now we have to convert this into logarithm form. Then what we will be writing? Log of 1 base 10 is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. If we write, let's say, 5 to the power of 0, What is 5 to the power of 0? It is 1. Now let's convert this also into logarithmic form. So log of 1 base 5 is equal to 0. If we write 20 to the power of 0, again the result is 1. So if we convert this, the log of 1 base 20 is equal to 0. In short, we can say that log of 1 is always 0. Log of 1 is always 0 with any base. With any base. बेस कुछ भी हो, बेस में चाहे 10 है या 5 है और it is 20. Log 1 is always equal to 0. This is fixed. This is fixed. All right. So yes, everybody has understood till here. So log of 1 is always 0 with any base. All right. Now comes, if we write, let's say, 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1. What is the result? Result is 10. So if we convert this, what will happen? What will happen? Log of 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. If we write 5 to the power of 1, what is the result? It is 5. Then we can say that log 5 base 5 is equal to 1. Similarly, if we write 20 to the power of 1, it is 20. So log of 20 base 20 is also equal to 1. In short, what is the conclusion here? If this number and the base, if both are same, then result will be 1. So log 5 base 5 result is 1. Log 20 base 20 result is 1. So whenever both the numbers are same, the main number and the base number, whenever both are same, then the result is always equal to 1. Okay? Yes. So everybody says it is clear. Great. So this we have done. Property number second, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, or we can say that log of 1 with any base is equal to 1. Then the third property also we have done, log of a with base a is equal to 1. Whenever both the number are same, the result is equal to 1. Okay. Now there is some basic illustration. Let's say it is log of root 2 base a is equal to 1 by 6. This is given. So now we have to convert this into exponential form and find the value of a. So a kahan par hai? Base mein. So let's write a. Then we will be putting the power. Power is 1 by 6 and it is equal to root of 2. Now root 2 can be written as 2 to the power of half. Now a to the power of 1 by 6 is equal to 2 to the power of half. Now this power of a will go on other side and get reciprocal. So a is equal to 2 to the power of half multiplied by 6. So it becomes 2 cube and 2 cube is equal to 8. So therefore value of a is equal to 8. Value of a is equal to 8. This is the result. This is the first illustration. Now the second one, for the second one, what we have to do, find the log of 5832 to the base of 3 root 2. So it has written log of 5832 to the base 3 root 2. This is written. Now we have to simplify this and get the result. So what is the result? Let's say the result is equal to x. So we have to find out the value of x. X की value आपको calculate करनी है. So now, how to solve this variety of question? Let's do this. First of all, we will convert this into exponential form. So base we are writing 3 root 2, and what about the power? Power is x. So we have written the power x, and now it is equal to 5, 8, 3, 2. 3 root 2 to the power of x is equal to 5832. All right. Now how we have to do? Let us understand. So we have done one property in law of indices, which says that if base is equal, then powers are also equal. And when powers are equal, then base is also equal. So this kind of property we have done. So if we try to common the base, अगर हम यहाँ पे दोनों साइड का बेस सेम कर देते हैं, then we can get the value of x. So let us factorize 5832. Let's do some of the factors. 5832. We can divide it with the help of 2. You will be getting 2, 9, 1, 6. Again divide by 2, 1, 4, 5, 8. Again with 2, 7, 2, 9. Now we can apply with 3. It is how much? 2, 4, 3. Again with 3, 81. Then with 3, 27, 9, 3, and then finally 1. So these are the factors basically. And with the help of these factors, we can easily write them into the power form. So 3 to the power of 6, you can say that this is 3 to the power of 6 and 2 to the power of 3. So this can be written as 3 root 2 whole to the power of 6. Why so? Because 3 to the power of 6 and this is root 2 to the power of 6. Both are having the same power. So 3 root 2 is having the power 6. And here it is 3 root 2 to the power of x. Now the base is same, so power are equal. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. Okay. So in this type of question, you have to just do the factorization and nothing else. Because factors will take normally 15 to 20 seconds, not more than that. And after that, you can easily get the answer. Okay. So Sakshi says, please repeat once again. Okay. So now, till now, what we have done, let's recall everything. After that, we will be moving towards the next concept. So what is basically the logarithm? Logarithm is another way of writing. If 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16, this is the exponential form where 4 is the power, 4 is in the power, and 2 is in the base. And we are getting 16 as the number. We are getting 16 as the number. Now, if we have to write in other format, which is the logarithmic format, then how do we write? So, since 2 is in the base, 2 पहले भी base में था, अभी कहाँ रहेगा base में? So, we have written log and base 2. Base means log के चरणों में बैठना. Okay? Whenever we are talking about base, base का मतलब हुआ log के चरणों में आपको 2 को रखना है, base को रखना है. Then the number which is powerful, जो number power में है उसको अलग से सीट मिलेगी. नंबर 4 पावर में है तो पावर के लिए स्पेशल जगह है हमारे पास इक्वल टू के बाद 4. एंड देन वॉट एवर इज द रिजल्ट, जो भी रिजल्ट आ रहा है वो किसका आ रहा है? लॉगरिथम का. तो लॉग के पास में वो नंबर आपको लिखना है. सो लॉग ऑफ 16 बेस 2 गिव्स द रिजल्ट 4. ऑलराइट. So this is the way of conversion we have done. So if we have to convert 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 3, so 10 is the base. 3 is the power, and we get the number 1000. So we will be writing log of the number, that is 1000, with base 10. With base 10. So this is the base and equal to 3. This is the power. So always power will get separate position. Base will always remain in the base. And if you have to convert other way, like log of 8 base 2 is equal to 3. So 2 is in the base. So if we convert into exponential form, 2 will still remain in the base. 3 is having separate position. It is powerful. So we are writing 3 in the power of 2. 3 in the power of 2. And what is the result? The result is 8. So here the result is 8. All right. So now everybody is saying clear. Great. Then we have done this two properties, which says log of 1 is always equal to 0. Log 1 is always equal to 0. Base can be anything, any value, whether it is a, it is 5, it is 10, it is 100. Log 1 is always 0. And the last property was log of a with base a is equal to 1. So whenever these two numbers are same, the result is 1. Whenever these two numbers are same, the result is 1. Okay. So this we have done. Now, when nothing is written in the base, if nothing is written in the base, then by default, we assume 10 as the common base. So log 2 of the numbers to the base 10 are known as common logarithm. So when nothing is written, we use 10, and this base 10 is known as common logarithm. Base 10 is known as common logarithm. So let me repeat this second illustration also. So in this case, we had to calculate log of 5832. So we have written log of 5832 to the base 3 root 2. So we have written in the base 3 root 2. And we have to calculate this value. So let the value be equal to x. So we have taken the value x. Now, what is the next step? To convert this form into exponential form. So we have converted 3 root 2 is in the base, x is in the power, and equal to the given number, that is 5832. Now, as we have done in the law of indices topic, when base is equal, powers are also equal. When base is same, then power are equal. Right? So we have tried to make their base equal. So we have done the factorization of 5832. So 5832 के जैसे में factors किए, we are getting 3 to the power of 6 and 2 to the power of 3. So this can be written as 3 root 2 whole to the power of 6. तो दोनों का हमने common power ले लिया, that is power 6. So now 3 root 2 to the power of x and 3 root 2 to the power of 6. So base are equal, then powers are also equal. Therefore, the result is equal to 6. Okay. So we have completely done the division till here. Now comes the fundamental laws of logarithm. Now, what are the basic rules or the basic laws of logarithm? So let us read the first one. The first law of logarithm, that is the logarithm of the product of two numbers. If we have to multiply the two numbers, that is, let's write log of 5 into 6 with base 10. This is given. Then how we can open this? How we can open this? So log of the product of two numbers is equal to the sum of logarithm of the numbers. So what this property says, if it is log of mn with base a, then it can be written as log m base A plus log n with base A. Log m base A plus log n base A. This can be written in this form. So now log 5 and log 6 similarly can be written as log of 5 base 10 plus log of 6 base 10. Okay, this is the first property of log. Let's take one more example. If it is written, let's say log of 6 base 10, and we want to split this. इसको आपको split करना है in this form. So we can first of all write 6 as 2 into 3 and base 10. Now 2 multiplied by 3, this is the product. So apply the product rule, it will become log 2 base 10 plus log 3 base 10. Log 2 base 10, log 3 base 10. All right. So this is the first property. So Sakshi says clear. Then Srinidhi says your teaching is very, very good. Thank you so much. Now, next property is for division. If we are dividing the two numbers, that is log of m upon n, there is division. So if there is division, we will be writing log m base a minus log of n base a. So in place of multiplication, if it is division, then in place of addition, we will be writing subtraction. So log m upon n with base a is written as log m base a minus log of n base a. So this is the basic formula, the basic property. So let's take one example. If we write log of 5 upon 2 base 10, then it can be written as log of 5 base 10 minus log of 2 base 10. Log 5 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Okay. So this is the property number 2nd. Then Kushal is asking, is log table needed for exams? No. You don't have to see the log table because log table will not be required in your exams. The values are normally given in the question paper if required. Okay, if required, the values will be given in the question itself. So no need to check on the log table. All right. Pratik's screen is blurred. This might be due to your internet connectivity. So you can check from your end. If your internet speed is slow, it might sometime get blurred. All right. Okay. So this is property number 2nd. Then there is third property, which says log of m to the power n. Now this time n is in the power of m and base a. So whenever the number is in the power, that power will jump forward. Power jump करके आगे आ जाएगी. So we will be writing n log of m base a. तो जो पावर था m के ऊपर से वो जंप करके आगे आ गया. So n log of m with base a. This is property number 3. So first property was log of mn. Log mn is log m plus log n. Second property, log m upon n, which is log m minus log n. Then the third property, log of m to the power n, it is n multiplied by log of m. So these are the 3 basic properties. So using these, we have to solve some of the illustration. So let's begin with illustration number 2nd. So find the logarithm of 1728 to the base of 2 root 3. So this is the question which is similar to what we have done above. Okay. So let us Understand? Log of 1728 to the base of 2 root 3. So let this be equal to x. So now we will be writing in the exponential form 2 root 3 to the power of x is equal to 1728. Now what is the next step? We have to do the factors. 1728 के factors करते हैं. Let's begin with 2. So it is 8, 6, 4. Again 2, 432. Then again 2, we are getting 2, 1, 6. Okay. Then how much? 108. Then again with 2, 54. Then 2, 27. 3, again 3, and one more 3. So we are getting 2 to the power of 6 and 3 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 6 and 3 to the power of 3. So it can be written as 2 to the power of 6 and root 3 to the power also 6. So therefore, we will be writing 2 root 3 to the power of 6. So now we can say that when base is same, power will be equal. So base is same, so power are equal. So value of x is equal to 6. So this is the result. So 6 is the correct answer. All right. So Venkat Lakshmi says, please give example for property number 3. Okay, let's do this. So let's have some example for this third property. It was log of 2 to the power of 5 with base 10. Now 5 is in the power and logarithm is there. So 5 will jump forward. 5 multiplied by log of 2 base 10. 5 multiplied by log of 2 base 10. This is the result. So now the second illustration was simply the factorization. We have to do the factors, make the base equal. जब भी आपके base equal होंगे, then power will also be equal. So this was example number 2. Now the second part of this example number 2, it says you have to simplify this. Half log of 10, 25, log of 25 base 10 minus 2 log of 3 base 10 plus log of 18 base 10. So before doing this, let us take some simple examples so that it will give you some more understandings. So let's see, it is log of 5 plus log of 2. Now, how we will be writing? We are taking, let's say, the base 100. Let's say the base is 100. Log 5 base 100 and log 2 base 100. Now you have to simplify this. So can we write this as log 7 base 100? No. This is completely incorrect because as we have done the property log of m base a plus log of n base a. If we have to simplify this, it will become log mn. Log mn, that is, it will be multiplied. Therefore, the correct result will be log of 5 multiplied by 2. It will become 10. So log 10 base will remain same, that is 100. Base will be 100. Let's take one more. Log of 20 plus log of 10. Base is, let's say, 10 and base is 10. So now what will happen? Log 20 plus log 10. So it will become log of 20 multiplied by 10. So log of 200 base 10. log of 200 base 10. All right. This is the property. Then Sami is asking in the previous illustration, what is the step after doing factors? See, after doing factors, you have to apply law of indices. When base is same, power is equal. So you will get x equal to 6. Okay, Sani? Now, let's see if it is log of 20 base 10 minus log of 10 base 10. Now, if there is negative sign in between, minus sign, then what we have to do? Then you have to apply log m upon n. So log 20 divided by 10 and base 10. So what is log 20 upon 10? 20 upon 10 means log of 2 base 10. It will become log of 2 base 10. So in this way, you have to see whether it is plus sign or minus sign. Accordingly, you have to answer. Then let's say if it is having log 50 minus log 10 minus log 2. 2 negative, 1 positive. Log 50 is positive, log 10 negative, log 2 negative. So whatever is the positive, keep that number in numerator. So 50 will be in numerator, 10 will be in denominator, 2 will also be in denominator. So it will become log of 50 by 20. Or you can say log of 5 by 2. Log of 5 by 2. Then Varshita says, do we need to apply factors for all the problem? Yes, if such kind of questions are there, then always you have to do the factors. So it comes log of 5 upon 2. Then let's take one more example. If we are having 2 log of x base a, then it can be written as, now since 2 is coming forward, we can bring back in the power. So this property is interchangeable. So log of x square base a. So all these properties are reverse also interchangeable. So you can write if it is log of m to the power of n base a, then we can write n log of m base a. And if it is n log m base a, then you can write in this way also. So you can write in any form, whatever required. So let's say if it is 10 log of 2 base 5. So it can be written as log of 2 to the power of 10 base 5. Log of 2 to the power of 10 base 5. So let us try this example. Example number, illustration number second, first B. So the question says 1 by 2 log of 25 base 10 minus 2 log of 3 base 10 plus log of 18 base 10. Now, this 1 by 2 is coming before logarithm. So we can send this half in the power of 25. So 1 by 2 will go in the power. So it will become log 25, the power of half. Power half means you can say root. Log of root 25 base 10 minus 2 log 3. This 2 will also go in the power. So log of 3 square base 10 and then plus log of 18 base 10. So what is log root of 25? Root 25 is 5. The log of 5 is positive, 18 is also positive, but 9 is having the negative sign. This 3 square 9 is having negative sign. Therefore, we will be writing this in denominator and base is 10. Now you can cancel 9 with 18. What you are getting? Log of 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. Now, what is the result? Log 10 base 10. Whenever these two numbers are same, we have done the property. These two numbers are same, then result is equal to 1. So log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. This is the final result. So this is illustration number 2. Now the next property. Next property is known as base change property, and you can also say as breakup property. This is also known as breakup property. Breakup property we are saying in our language, in our terms. In book, you will be finding it as change of base property. But for understanding easily, we are using the term breakup property. So let us understand this. Log of m base a. Log of m base a. So पहले log m एंड उसका बेस था a, दोनों साथ में थे. बाद में क्या हुआ? दोनों में ब्रेकअप हो गया. दोनों में ब्रेकअप. तो log m अलग हो गया एंड log a also separated. दोनों separated हो गया and we can write some common base. So let's say दोनों का base is b. Base will be same for both of them. So log m base b divided by log of a base b. This is simple breakup property. All right. So log m base a is equal to log of m base b divided by log of a base b. Okay. So no doubt still here. So let's move further. Then we are having change the base of log 31 base 5 into common logarithmic base. Now, what is the common logarithmic base? So base 10 is known as common logarithmic base. So log of 31 base 5. तो दोनों में क्या करना है? आपको ब्रेकअप करना है. So it will be log 31 base 10 upon log of 5 base 10. तो यहाँ पर हुआ है दोनों में breakup. So in this way, you can easily apply the breakup. All right. Understood, everyone? Okay. Then comes the next one. Okay, so log of 8 base 3 divided by log of 16 base 9 and log of 10 base 4. This we have to simplify. Now, how do we simplify? So let us understand this step by step. So the question says it is log of 8 base 3 divided by log of 16 base 9 log of 10 base 4. Now, we cannot solve them directly. We cannot cancel them directly. So the first thing we have to do is use the common base for all. Use the common base for all so that everyone can get separated. So log 8 base 3 को हम कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे? It will be separated as log 8 base 10 divided by log 3 base 10. So let's write here log 8 base 10 upon log 3 base 10 whole divided by log 16 and log 9. So it will be written as log 16 base 10 upon log 9 base 10. Then multiply by log of 10 base 10 divided by log of 4 base 10. Okay, so let's bring all together. Log 8 base 10 is numerator. Then log 9 base 10 is also in numerator. And log 4 base 10 is also in numerator. What about denominator? It is log of 3 base 10. Then we are having log of 16 base 10 and log of 10 base 10. Now you have to see if you can cancel anything. So log of 8 can be written as 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So if it is log of 2 cube base 10, then it can be written as 3 log 2 base 10. So we are writing log 8 as 3 log 2 base 10. Similarly, log 9. 9 means 3 square. So we will be writing 2 multiplied by log 3 base 10. 4 can be written as 2 square. So it is 2 log of 2 base 10. Okay. Then in denominator, we are already having log 3 base 10. Log 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. 4 will come forward to 4 multiplied by log of 2 base 10. And at last, log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So now let's simplify. Log 3 and log 3 will get cancelled. Log 2 will get cancelled. 2 into 2 is 4 and denominator is also having 4. So what is left? 3 log 2 base 10. We are left with only 3 log 2 base 10. This is the final answer. So in this way, you can easily simplify. Miss R says how 10 common log base. See, 10 is known as common logarithmic base. Okay. Bhumika is saying why we are taking 10 as the base. You can take anything as the base. Because base must be common. And wherever nothing is written by default, we have to take base 10. So default log base is 10. This is by default. When nothing is written, it is by default assumed to be base 10. All right. Understood? Okay. Now, this is the logarithmic table. This is talking about logarithmic table. Now, we don't have to learn the way of understanding the table, just going through it in short. The logarithm of a number consists of two parts. किसी भी logarithm जब हम calculate करते हैं उसमें दो parts होते हैं. First one is the whole number part and or the integral part, which is known as characteristic. And the second part is known as the decimal part, which is known as mantissa. So there are two parts. One part is the integer part, second part is the decimal part. Integer portion is known as characteristic, decimal portion is known as mantissa, like 37.24. So this 37 portion is known as integer portion, so it is known as characteristic. Whereas 0.24 is decimal, this is known as mantissa. So characteristic and mantissa. Now, what we have to do, so let's say the characteristic of a logarithm of any number greater than 1 is positive and is 1 less than the number, the left of decimal point to the given number. So let's say 37 is the integer. Now, from this integer portion, we can calculate the characteristic. So for calculation of characteristic, you have to count the number of digits. You have to count the number of digits. So in 37, how many digits are there? There are 2 digits. Then out of these digits, subtract 1. Your result will be 1. So in 37, the characteristic is 1. Let's take another example. 4623. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. Subtract 1. What is characteristic? Characteristic is 3. 6.21. Before decimal, integer portion kitna hai? There is only 1 digit. So 1 digit minus 1. It will give you 0. So characteristic is 0. So whenever we have to calculate the characteristic, count the number of digits, subtract 1. Count the number of digits and subtract 1. Okay. Then number 0.08 is written. So before decimal, there is nothing, 0. So you will be writing 0 minus 1. It will give you minus 1. Okay. Then before decimal, it is nothing. And after decimal, there is 1 0 as well. So it is basically negative 1 already. Then minus 1, you will be getting minus 2. So this is the way of calculation of characteristic. If let's say 2 zeros are there, then you will write minus. 3 zeros, then it is minus 4. So in this way, we have to count the characteristic. All right. Then the conversion process we have already covered in the before portion, 15 to 20 minutes. 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have done this conversion. Log of 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. Then here also same, log of 10 base 10 will be equal to 1. Then log of 100 base 10 is equal to 1. So it is 2. And then log of 1000 base 10 is equal to 3. So this is the normal conversion which we have covered. Now, if the power is negative, then how we will be writing them? Let's say the power is negative, 10 to the power of minus 1. So what is the result? It is 1 upon 10. Or you can say 0.1. So if you want to write this in logarithmic form, it can be written as log of 0.1 base 10 is equal to minus 1. Then 10 to the power of minus 2. It is 1 by 100, or you can write 0.01. So log of 0.01 base 10 is equal to minus 2. So in this way, we can convert from logarithmic to exponential and exponential to logarithmic form. So now these are not of much usage right now because we don't have to see the log table. But what kind of questions can come in exam? Let us do that. So the question based on the numbers, that is example number 1, find the value of log 5 if log 2 is given to us. So it says log 5 आपको calculate करना है and value of log 2 is given. So you have to use the value of log 2. So we have to write log 5 is equal to, we have to calculate. Now 5 can be written in another form. And one more thing, by default, when nothing is written, base is 10. So you can write base 10. Now, how can we write 5 in another way? By using this number 2. 2 को use करते हुए आप 5 कैसे लिख सकते हैं? That is 10 upon 2, you can write. So we can write log of 10 upon 2 base 10. Now you can apply the property log of m upon n. Log of m divided by n. So it will become log 10 base 10 minus log of 2 base 10. Right, this we can write. Now log 10 base 10 is equal to 1, as we know. And what is the value of log 2? Value of log 2 is given 0.3010. So 1 minus 0.3010, you will get 0.6990. This is your result. So in this way, you can easily calculate your answer. Okay. This property we have already covered. Now, yes, the next property which is available here is log of A with base B multiply by log of B base A. Now, whenever such kind of thing is written, we can do some cancellation in cross. So you can see B and B are in cross. They are in cross. So it will get cancelled, and what is left? Log A base A. And whenever these two values are same, the result will be 1. So log A base A, the result is 1. Let's take one more. If we write log 2 base 3 multiply by log 3 and base 5 multiply by log of 5 base 2. Now you can see that in cross the values are same. So this 3 will get cancelled, 5 will get cancelled. So what is left? Log 2 base 2. And whenever these two are same, result is 1. So log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Dimelo says we didn't cover indices yet. We had covered indices in the previous session. So I think if you have missed out, you can check it out from the playlist and you can see the indices topic. So indices was covered on Sunday. Now the next one, log of 64 to the base 2 root 2. Now this kind of question we have already covered, but let's do it again once more. Log of 64 to the base 2 root 2. Now those who are having doubt in example number 2 can understand this once again. So we are equating with equal to x. Now let us convert this. So it will be 2 root 2 to the power of x is equal to 64. Now write the factors of 64. So you can write 2 to the power of 6 directly. So it is 2 to the power of 6. And here it is 2 root 2 to the power of x. Now you can see that base is not exactly same, but you have to make the base same. Then how you can do this? Then there are two systems, two process. One thing is you can write here 2 to the power of 1 and this is 2 to the power of half whole to the power of x. That means 2 to the power of 1 and a half. That is 3 by 2 x. And here it is 2 to the power of 6. Now base is equal. On both the sides, base is 2 now. If base is same, you can equate the power. So 3 by 2x is equal to 6. So value of x will be 4. Value of x will be 4. This is one way. If you want to do in another way, so 2 root 2 power x equal to, you can write this in the form of 2 root 2 to the power of 4. So x will be equal to 4. So you can solve it in any manner. The important thing is your oral calculation must be good. Your oral or fast calculation must be there. Then only you will be able to do such things very fast. Okay. All right. So here the result is 4. So now before moving forward, let's take some break for 5 minutes and then we will be continuing. Okay. So we will be continuing after 5 minutes. So welcome back, guys. Let us continue with example number 2. So now this is a bit different example, and in this we have to again apply all those properties which we have learned till now. So let's understand what is given in the question. Log of BC to the base A is x. Then log of CA to the base B is y, and log of AB base C is equal to z. So these are the values of x, y, and z. And now we have to prove something. What we have to prove, it is 1 by 1 plus x, or you can say x plus 1, plus 1 upon y plus 1 and 1 upon z plus 1. We will have to find the value of this. Now, this value of x can be substituted here. What is the value of x? Log BC base A plus 1. Then 1 upon value of y is log of CA base B plus 1. And then it is written 1 upon log of AB base C and plus 1. This is given. Now, since we can see that all the bases are different, at one place it is A, at other place it is B, and somewhere it is C. Now, if we have to make something common between them, then what is the way? So 1 can be written in any other form. So this 1 can be written as log A base A, because log of A base A is 1. Why we are using A? Because here the base is A. In the next one, this 1 can be written as log B base B. Why so? Because base B is here. And in the next case, base is C, so we can write 1 as log of C base C. So by writing this, what will be the benefit? The benefit will be that we can combine them, because log of BC plus log of A can be combined to form log of ABC. As we can apply the property log of BC base A and log of A base A. These can be combined and can be written as log ABC base A. So we are writing this 1 upon log of ABC with base A plus 1 upon again log of ABC base B plus 1 upon log of ABC base C. Now you can apply the breakup property here. So it will become log of, or there is one more property that will be shorter. That is the reciprocal property. Let us understand that also. If it is written as log of A base B. Now you want that A should come in the base and B should come at the main position. तो अगर हमें ऐसा करना है, A को base में भेजना है, then we will do the reciprocal 1 upon log B and A will come in the base. Okay. So similarly, reverse can also be done. Let's say if it is written that 1 upon log x base y, then it can be written as log of y base x. Just do the reciprocal and x and y will interchange their position. So same way, here also we can do this. So it will become log of A base ABC plus log of B base ABC plus log of C base ABC. Now you can apply the property of log of mn. Then when there is plus sign in between, you have to apply the product rule. So it will become log of ABC base ABC. Now, when both the values are same, the result is equal to 1. Result is equal to 1. Okay. So in this way, you can get the answer. Let's try one more. Third one, which is similar. The value of A is given here, log 12 base 24. Value of B is given log 24 base 36. Then value of C is given log 36 base 48. And then we have to simplify 1 plus ABC equal to 2 times of BC. So let's substitute the values. 1 plus, what is the value of A? It is log of 12 base 24. What is the value of B? It is log of 24 base 36. And what about C? It is log of 36 base 48 equals to 2 multiplied by, it is log of 24 base 36 and then log of 36 base 48. So we have to see that both the sides are equal or not. So now which property will be applicable? You can see that in cross, the values are same, so it can get cancelled. Similarly, 36 is also same, so it will also get cancelled. So what will be left? It is 1 plus log of 12 base 48. All right. On the other side, you can see that 36 and 36 both are same in cross. So we can write it as 2 log of 24 base 48. So 36 is cancelled. 36 is cancelled. All right. Now, how do we simplify further? This 1 can be written as, see, at both the places, it is base 48. Here also base 48. So 1 can also be written as log of 48 base 48 plus log of 12 base 48 is equal to 2 times of log 24 base 48. So now this can be written as multiple form. Log of 48 into 12 is how much? 576 base 48. And log 576 can be written as log 24 square base 48. And here also it is log of 24 square base 48. So both the sides are equal, hence it is proved. This is equal. One is asking maths kitne hours पढ़नी चाहिए? See, your self-study should be around 2 hours on regular basis. Whether it is math, stats, or logical reasoning, at least 2 hours you have to study on regular basis and always revise the formula on daily basis. All right. So this was example number 3. Then let's take some more questions from exercise now. No, for that we will be summarizing the topic. So let us revise once again from this summary so that in case of any doubt, that will be get solved. Okay. So first property is log mn. So log mn is log of m plus log n. Base will remain same. So there is one example for that. Log of 2 multiplied by 3. We will get log 2 plus log 3. Second one is log of m upon n. It will be written as log m minus log of n. Minus property is there. So if it is log of 3 by 2, we can write log 3 minus log of 2. Then the third property is log of m to the power of n. Power will jump forward and it will be n times log of m. N times log of m. Then comes log of 2 cube. Then power 3 will come forward and it will become 3 log of 2. 3 log of 2. Next one is log a base a. We have done this. Log a base a is equal to 1. Similarly, log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Log 5 base 5 is equal to 1. All right. Then log of 1. If we see log of 1 with any base, it is always equal to 0. We have done this property also. Log 1 is always 0. Whether the base is 2, base is 10, base is 5, it is any base, log 1 is always 0. And log of A with base B and log of B with base A. Now, this property also we have done. The value in cross will get cancelled and the result will be 1. So log of 2 base 3 and log of 3 base 2, the result is equal to 1. This we have covered. Then, if it is log of A base B and log of B base C. Now, this is cancelled, but this time log A and C, these two values are different. So, the result will be simply this only, log of A base C. All right. Then, the next one was breakup property or change of base property. So, log of A base B. We can write it as log of A divided by log of B. So if it is log of 2 base 3, it can be written as log 2 upon log 3. Log 2 divided by log of 3. Then the next property was reciprocal property. We can do the reciprocal log of A base B. Then it can be reciprocate and written in the form of log B base A. Log B base A. All right. Then there is one more property which says a to the power of log of x and then base a. Now a is having the power of logarithm and logarithm is having the base a. That means this base a and this a both are same. Whenever these are same, then the result will be equal to x. Result will be equal to x. Let's say if it is 2 to the power of log 10 base 2, then the result will be 10. This complete portion will get removed and the result will be 10. Here also the complete portion was removed and the result is x. If it is 5 raised to the power of log of 50 base 5, then 5 log base 5 will get removed and result will be 50. This is another property. So the common note which is written here, if base is understood, base is taken as 10. That means by default, base is always taken as 10. Okay. Second thing was log of 10. Log of 10 is 1. Why it is 1? Because we know that by default base is 10 and whenever the values are same, the result is 1. So log 10 is always equal to 1. And if it is log of 100, then 100 can be written as 10 square. And then we can apply the property of powers. So it will become 2 times of log 10 base 10 value is equal to 2. So log 100 is 2. Log 10 is 1. Log 1000 will become 3. So 1 0, result is 1. 2 zeros, result is 2. 3 zeros, then result is 3. All right. So logarithm using base 10 is known as common logarithm base. But in some other chapters, let's say in differentiation and integration, where logarithmic will be coming, and by default we will take base as e in those chapters. Okay, so logarithm using base e is known as natural logarithm. If we use base e, then it is known as natural logarithm. So where the base e is used, this base is used in differentiation chapter, integration chapter. Okay. So now let us do these questions from the beginning so that in case of any doubt, it will get solved. Log 6 plus log 5. Log 6 plus log 5 is how much? Is it log 11 or log 30? Which is correct? Log 6 plus log 5 will give how much? Log 11 or log 30? Come on, everyone. You can answer this. You don't have to add directly 6 plus 5, 11. It will be property log m into n. That is log of 30. Yes, option number B is correct. So Arnie has given the answer. Mansi, Yamini, Vidisha, Vidipta, Om Gupta, and Shekha. Yes, everyone is correct. B is the answer. Then log of 8 base 2 is equal to. Yes, similar question which we have done now. See, 8 can be written as 8 के factors क्या होते हैं? Always factorize them. 8 के factors. So you will write 2 cube and base is 2. Now 3 is in the power. Power will jump forward. So it will be 3 log 2 base 2. Now log 2 base 2 is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 will give you 3. 3 multiplied by 1 will give the result as 3. So option number C is correct. So everyone has given the signs. Taruni, Pathak Jignesh, Deva, Vidipta, Vade, Prakriti, Renu, Mansi, Piyush, Vidisha, Ramlakshmi, Debojit Podar, Chavi, Vidushi, Venkat Lakshmi. Great. Everyone is correct now. Good going. Now the third one. Log 32 upon log 4 is equal to how much? So log 32 upon 4. So log m upon n. So you have to write log m minus log of n. So option number B is correct. Log 32 minus log of 4. B is correct answer. Fourth one. Log of 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to. So log 1, 2, 3. To apply the property of addition, log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. Option number A. Okay. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is a bit different, not difficult. That is easy question. Just apply the concept. Fourth says log of. Sorry, fifth one. Fifth one is a bit different, but not difficult. 0.0001 to the base of 0.1. Log of 0.0001 to the base 0.1. So see, it can be written as log of 0.1 to the power of 4, because there are 4 values after decimal. So it is 0.1 to the power of 4. Now this power will come forward. 4 multiplied by. Now log of 0.1 to the base 0.1 will be 1. So result is equal to 4. So correct answer is option number B. Yes, most of you have given the answer. Om has given the answer. Then Gautam Verma, Prakriti Goel, and Adit Fatima. Great. Next one. 6. 2 log of x is equal to 4 log of 3. 2 log of x is equal to 4 log of 3. Now you have to simplify. So what can be done? Use the power property. This 2 will jump and go into the power. 4 will also go into the power. So log of x square is equal to log of 3 to the power of 4. Now log is on both the sides, so log will get removed. दोनों साइड से log remove हो जाएगा. So you can remove this logarithm. So what is left? You are left with x square is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So x is equal to 3 square, that is 9. The value of x this time is equal to 9. Okay. Sarah is asking about question number 5 once again. See, in question number 5, what we have done the factors of point 0001. It can be written as 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 and again into 0.1. That is power 4. So now we have applied the property of this power. Power will jump forward. So 4 multiplied by 1 will give you the result 4. Okay, Sarah? And in the sixth one, 2 log of x is 4 log 3. So again, we have applied the property of power first. So it became x square and 3 to the power of 4. Now, log is available on both the sides, so it will get removed. So what is left? X square is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Therefore, the value of x will be 9. The value of x equal to 9. This is the sixth one. Then question number 64. Sorry, it's question number 7, and it is log of 64. Question number 7. Let's do this. Log 64 and base root 2. Now we know that 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6 and base root 2. But if we have to make them the values same, because the base is root of 2, then if we can convert the main value also in root 2 form, of course we can convert this. So we will be writing log of root 2 to the power of 12 and base is root 2. So 12 will come forward and the result is 12. Okay. So this was seventh one. Then eighth question is exactly same which we have covered in the example. Then comes the ninth one. Log of 1 upon 81 to the base 9. Let's do this. Question number 9. Log of 1 upon 81 to the base 9. Now see, 81 can be written as 9 square. So we will be writing log of 1 upon 9 square, base 9. If we take 9 upward, the power will become negative. So log of 9 to the power of minus 2, base 9. Now the power will jump forward. So minus 2 into 1 will give minus 2. Option number C is correct. All right. Then the next one is question number 10. Question number 10 says log of 0.0625 to the base 2 is equal to. Now this we have to calculate 0.0625. Now 0.625, can you factor? Can you find the factors and simplify? Let's try. What are the factors or how you will be trying to solve this? Log of 0.0625 to the base 2 is how much? It's easy. One thing can be done. You can remove the decimal. So log of 625. After decimal, 4 values are there. So you can write 4 zeros and base is 2. Now 625 is 5 to the power of 4. And 10,000 is 10 to the power of 4. So log of 5 by 10 to the power of 4. Base is 2. Now again, this can be simplified further. We have cancelled. So 1 upon 2 to the power of 4. This can be written as log of 2 to the power of minus 4. Minus 4 will come forward and this is the result. Adib is asking why we have multiplied minus 2 by 1. See, power is getting multiplied by the given value. So what is the value? Log 9 base 9. Log 9 base 9 is 1. Therefore, minus 2 multiplied by 1 gives you minus 2. Okay. Here also, minus 4 multiplied by 1 will give you minus 4. So for question number 10, minus 4 is correct. So you have to select none of these. तो बहुत ही बार जल्दबाजी में +4 सेलेक्ट हो जाता है बट दैट इज टोटली इनकरेक्ट तो यहाँ आपको ध्यान रखना है +4 सेलेक्ट ना करें इट इज -4 नन ऑफ दीज इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑलराइट Anshika is asking why we have not applied the division rule because options are not according to the division rule. Option require the complete simplification. पूरा simplified result required है तो इसलिए हमने values को पूरा simplify कर दिया 625 upon 10,000 that is it is 1 by 2 to the power of 4 इसको हमने पूरा simplify कर दिया because you can check the option logarithm is not available अगर वहां लिखा होता log 625 minus log 10,000 then of course we can apply that property. So always you have to see whether question requires complete simplification or just the application of property. So always you have to answer according to the options. Then Krishna says, please repeat second step of question 10. See, here first step is we have to remove the decimal. After decimal, what we have done? We have done the cancellation. 5 by 10 to the power of 4. So from here, it becomes 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Now you can take 2 in numerator. As soon as we take 2 in numerator, power will change the sign. It will become 2 to the power of minus 4. And those students who have not covered indices yet, then you will find difficulty in these type of calculations. So it is better to cover the law of indices today itself so that you can easily solve such kind of power based question. Okay. So 11, question number 11, some of the students has given the answer. That's great. Good going. So question number 11 says log 2 is given, log 3 is given, and you have to find out the value of log 6. Okay, let's do this. Question number 11. Log of 6. Log 6 can be written as log of 2 multiplied by 6. That is log of 2 plus log 3. Now you have to apply the property. Log 6 can be written as log 2 plus log 3. Now values of log 2 and log 3 is given 0.3010 plus what is log 3? 0.4771. Now you can add and get the result 0.7781. This is the final result. So Vade has given the answer, Manju, Pooja, Sahana has also given the answer, Renu, Ramalakshmi, Om Gupta, Pratyush, Vidipta, Chavi, Saloni, Pooja, Prakriti, Arni, Priyadarshini, great. Gautam, Mansi. So everyone has given the answer. So this was example question number 11. Now 12th one is very important. This kind of questions are many times asked in exams. So it is very important question. You can mark this. So let's solve this 12th one. Log of base 2, again log of base 2, again log of 16 and base 2. Now how to solve this? So you can write 16 as 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. So applying this property, power will come forward. So we can write this as log base 2, log base 2, and this 4 will come forward. So what is left? Log 2 base 2. Now this log 2 base 2 is basically 1. So now we have to simplify 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. This 4 can be written as 2 square. So log base 2, log base 2, and now it is 2 square. So this 2 will jump forward. So it will become log of 2 base 2. And here it is log 2 base 2. So this is equal to 1. And now this log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. So therefore, you can select the option number C. Option number C. This was question number 12. So very important. Understand it carefully, apply it very easily. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. 4 is jumping forward, and 4 can be written as 2 square. Again, 2 will jump forward, and log 2 base 2 is 1. Now the next one, the value of log 1 by 3 to the base 9. Similar question we have done above, but let's do this also. So before that, let's make some space here. Okay. So 13 says log of 1 by 3 to the base 9. Log 1 by 3 and base 9. Now you can write this in the form of log of 3 to the power of minus 1. And base can be written as 3 square. 3 square. Now here comes one trick. What is the trick? As we know, the power jump forward. So the numerator power will always jump in numerator, whereas the power of denominator will jump in denominator. Power of numerator will jump in numerator and power of denominator will jump in denominator. So therefore, we will be writing power of denominator in denominator. So it is 2. Now what is left? Log 3 base 3. So log 3 base 3 is 1. So final result is minus 1 by 2. So here there was power on both the sides. So we can solve in this manner. Let's take one more example of this similar variety of question. Let's say log of 32 to the base 8. So you can write 32 as 2 to the power of 5 and 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So power 5 will jump in numerator and power 3 will jump in denominator. So what is left? Log of 2 base 2. Result is 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3. Then another way of solving this question number 13, let's do it here. If we take log of 1 by 3 base 9 is equal to x. This is equal to x. Now you can convert this into exponential form. So what will be left? 1 by 3 is equal to 9 to the power of x. So 1 by 3 means 3 to the power of minus 1. And 9 can be written as 3 square. So base is same, power will be equal. Power will be equal. Therefore, value of x will be minus, value of x will be equal to minus half. So these are the two ways of solving the question. You can solve in any manner, no worries. So this was question number 13. Then let's try some more question. 14th one, log x plus log y, log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y. So let us apply the addition property here. It will be log of xy equal to log of x plus y. Now log is on both the sides. It will get removed, will get cancelled. So what is left? We are left with xy is equal to x plus y. Now we have to find the value of y. So let us take y on one side, x, y minus y is equal to x. Take y as common. So value of y will be x upon x minus 1. So in this way, you will get the answer. So first step was apply the property. After application of property, log is getting removed. After that, we have to find the value of y. Take y on one side, get common things, and value of y is equal to x upon x minus 1. Option number C. So this is done. Now let's try 15th also. Question number 15. Let's make some space. 15th one. Log of base 2. Again, log of base 2. Log of base 3. And then one more, log of so this is given. Now, what you have to do, applying the same thing, 27 can be written as 3 cube. So you can write here 27 as 3 cube. So overall, it will become log of 3 to the power of 9 base 3. Rest all remains as it is, log with base 3, log with base 2, and again log with base 2. Now again, what we can do, take the 9 forward. So log 9 base 3, then log of base 2, and then log of base 2. 9 will become 3 square. So you can write this 3 square. So log of base 2, log of base 2 square, 2 will come forward. Now what is log 2 base 2? Log 2 base 2 is 1. So the final result of log of 1 is equal to 0. So log 1 is always equal to 0. This is the result. Now the 16th one. 16th one, I think you can do it yourself. Then the 17th one is log 2, log 3, and find the value of log 60. So this variety also we have covered. Let's try 18th one. Question number 18. Log 2 is given. Log of 2 base 10 is equal to x. Then log of 3 base 10 is equal to y. And you have to find the value of log 1.2 base 10. Now using 2, 3, and 10, how you can write 1.2? Using 2, 3, and 10, how you will write 1.2? So we can say that 2 into 2 into 3. These are the factors of 12. 12 divided by 10 will give you 1.2. It will give you 1.2, right? So we can write it as log of 2 square into 3 divided by 10 and base is 10. Now applying the property of addition and division, log 2 square plus log 3 and 10 is in the denominator, so it is log 10. Base is 10 in each and every case. So it will become 2 log 2 base 10 plus log 3 base 10 and minus log 10 base 10 is 1. Now what is given in the question? Log 2 is x. So 2 of x plus y minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay. So the starting is very important in this case. What is the starting? How you will write 1.2 by using 2, 3, and the base 10. So we have written 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and divided by 10. This is 1.2. So after that, we have applied the basic property of logarithm, that is product and division property, log of 2 square plus log of 3 minus log of 10. And then substituted the given values. Okay. Sanya says logarithm requires some extra practice. Yes, of course, it will require more practice. So I will be sharing you extra practice question, extra videos. So do not worry. You can stay connected on the application. I will be sharing you extra material, extra lectures also. No need to worry. Then comes question number 19. So 19 is very similar to question number 18. Let's do this also. The value of log x is m plus n. the value of log y is m minus n. And you have to find out the value of log 10x upon y square. So log of 10x upon y square, this is required. First of all, we can separate them. Log 10 plus log x plus log y square. Now, what is the value of log x? We know it already. And by default, base is 10. So log 10 is 1. Value of log x is m plus n. And log y square, 2 will come forward. Now, what is the value of log y? It is m minus n. So after simplification, let's check what we are getting. So finally, the result will be 1 plus 3m minus n. 1 plus 3m minus n. And there was negative sign here, so I think you have to change the sign. So let's change the sign here. So it will become negative and this will become positive. So sign is getting changed. So the final result will be 1 minus m and plus 3m. So option number A will be correct. Okay. So this is also done. Now let's solve 20th also. Question number 20. 2 log of 5 base 10 plus log of 8 base 10 minus half log of 4 base 10. Now apply the power property first. So it will be log of 5 square base 10, then log of 8 base 10 and minus log of root 4 base 10. Now addition and subtraction property you can apply. So it will become log of 25 is positive, 8 is positive, root 4 is 2. It will go into denominator and base 10. So what is left? Log of 100 base 10. It can be written as 2 log 10 base 10. So final result will be 2. Final result is 2. Then Fatima is asking why log 10 is written as 1, because log 10 base 10 is 1. Then Anshika says, is the exam covering only MCQ question? Yes. Your foundation exam paper number 3 is 100% MCQ. Krishna says, can you please revise in the group? Yes, we will do the revision. Do not worry. Then let's do 23rd question also. Question number 23. It is log of A base B, log of B base C, and then log of C base A, whole cube. This is given. Now you can try and simplify and let me know what is the answer. You can simplify this and get the answer. It's very easy. So as we know, the cancellation property, the cross will get cancelled, B is getting cancelled, C will get cancelled. So what is left? Log A base A whole to the power of 3. Now log A base is 1, 1 cube is equal to 1. Therefore, option number C will be correct. Option number C is correct. So I think we have covered everything. Then Manisha was asking about question number 25 from previous exercise. See, in that question, there is cyclical order. And in law of indices, we have understood that whenever there is cyclical order, result is equal to 1. So you don't have to simplify or you don't have to write each and every step. Directly, you can reach your answer 1. Okay, there is one demand for question number 16. Let's do the last question for the day, question number 16. Log x base 2 plus base 16 is equal to 21 by 4, then x is equal to. So let's write this question. Log of x base 2 plus log of x base 4 plus log of x base 16 is equal to 21 by 4. Now we have done one property of powers. So it can be written as log x base 2. 4 can be written as 2 square and 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. Now the power of denominator will come in denominator only. So we can write log x base 2 plus 1 by 2 log of x base 2 plus 1 by 4 log of x base 2 equal to 21 by 4. Now you can take log x base 2 as common. Log x base 2 as common. So what is left? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So it is how much? Let's take the LCM. So it is 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 equal to 21 by 4. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 by 4. So 4 and 4 is getting cancelled. 7 is cancelled with 3. So you are left with log x base 2 is equal to 3. Now convert this into exponential form. So x is equal to 2 cube. Therefore, the result will be equal to 8. The result is equal to 8. This is the value of x. So in this way, you can easily solve your answer. Okay. So this was question number 16. Okay, there is one more doubt from Vikas. Question number 25. Okay, let's do 25 also. The last question for the day. Log of 25 base 8 is required and log 2 base 10 is given. Log 2 base 10 is given how much? 0.3010. Now, first thing is apply the breakup property. So it will become log of 25 divided by log of 8. Common base we have taken 10. Then log 25 can be written as log of 5 square base 10. 8 can be written as 2 cube base 10. Now, This 2 will jump forward, so it is log of 5 base 10, and 3 will jump forward, it is log of 2 base 10. Now you can find the log 5 from log 2, as we have done earlier also. Log 5 can be written as log 10 upon 2. So it will become log 10 minus log 2. Log 10 is 1 and log 2 is 0.3010. It will become 0.6990. So therefore, value of log 5, as we have done earlier also, it is 0.6990. And value of 3 into log 2 is already given, 3010. Now you can simplify this and get your result. Okay. So in this way, you can get your all the answers of logarithm. Now, what is your task for today? The main task for today is revise all these questions first, which we have discussed today. जो हमने आज किया है वो आज ही आपको कंप्लीट रिवीजन करना है. अगर आप इसको कल या परसों पे डालोगे तो फिर आप काफी सारी चीजें भूल जाओगे. Whatever properties we have discussed today, so that you will start forgetting from tomorrow. So it is better to recall by today itself. आज ही इसको पूरा recall करें. एक एक क्वेश्चन को अपने हाथ से अपनी नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करें. रिक्वायर्ड है तो आप वीडियो को पूरा वापस से देखें एंड नोटिंग कर लें. नो वरीज इन दैट. बट आज ही आपको ये पूरा टास्क कंप्लीट करना है. आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस, जो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस हमने कुछ स्किप किए, दैट इज हार्डली 4 to 5 क्वेश्चंस दैट यू कैन ट्राई. ओके. And after that, I will be sharing you extra practice questions and lectures as well on the application. So after that, you can practice on that also. All right. So I hope this first chapter is completed. And now we will be meeting again on Thursday with a new chapter. Till then, bye everyone. Take care and see you soon.